this is pretty much the end result. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Capriciana, it's me. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see by the title below, today I'm going to be doing a frontal wig. I'm not sure the inch yet. I'm getting ready to open up the box, but this is from Sam's Beauty. It is not sponsored. I just seen a lot of good reviews on this company, so I decided to, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and give it a try for the first time. This is the box that I'm getting ready to open right now, so one moment. Here's the wig. It's pre-plucked, so let's take it out and see what it's looking like. Hold on. Okay. So y'all, this is what it's giving straight out of the pack. Let me take this off real fast just to look. And it is very much pre-plucked, very much. So I love it. It's giving. It's not too much, you know what I'm saying? Let me take it completely off. So this is what it's giving straight out the pack, y'all. I can just put it on my head real fast. Since I already got my braids in, this is how it's looking. Yes, this is a synthetic wig. It's not a human hair, but look at what it is giving, y'all. It is very much pre-plucked. It's very much pre-plucked. They got the little baby hairs out already for you, pretty much. It's giving very much easy install, and it is from, if I didn't say it before, it's from Sam's Beauty Swiss Lace wig, wet lace braids, and this is what it's giving. I did recently just done my hair, so yeah, I have my braids down. This is the cap I'm going to be using. I have to melt this down. I'm using Pro Concealer to put the foundation on my lace. It's the closest color to my skin. Use G2B Glue Spray, spray it over, melt it, and try to sink it into my skin as close as possible, and start from there. Yeah, you can't even see the lace barely. Like, butter lace come through. Your girl is feeling the vibes, definitely. Like, this is nearly melting into my skin. Yeah, I ain't even finished yet. Look at this. You can barely see the lace, okay? Period. Okay. This is what it's giving before, so I'm gonna add some so I'm gonna melt this for about 5-10 minutes and come back. Okay, y'all, so this is my first combing process in the weave. Hold on. So far, it sheds a lot. This is my first time combing it, and look at this. Look at all this. It sheds so much. Like, wow. I don't know if it's because it's synthetic. This sheds so much. I don't really like that. I gotta find out what side I'm gonna put it in. I'm thinking about this side over here. Doing like a side part. Oh, it's really not a part. Dang, y'all. It's a free part because I can't part it. How did I not know this? I don't know. But I like it a little, you know. It sheds a lot, so that's a downfall for me. But let's see how this looking. So I just re-looked at the video and my edges were horrible, so I had to come back. I was a little gassed when I did the video. If you know, you know. But so I had to come back and do it. So my edges been, I just took this out. My edges been laying in this for about, I'll say a couple minutes. It hasn't been that long. Oops. I'm still learning how to take care of synthetic weaves. Hold on. This is the first one I cut. This one. This one on the edge. By the way, I am not a professional with these edges, y'all. This is pretty much like my, I think it's like my second or third time doing this. Not a professional whatsoever. So this is pretty much the end result. Like, I'm not the best with the edges, but I'm learning, y'all. This is the butter lace wig. This is what it's giving. I don't really like this edge. Something about it. All right, it's decent, but this is what it's giving, y'all. I feel like I look so good. The quality of the hair is good. It does shed, but it's still pretty much good. It's giving. I love it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click the thumbs up, press the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is what the butter lace is giving today. The links to this wig will be in the description. Y'all have a good one.